Are you afraid to miss out on the financial freedom that real estate investing promises? Real estate investing. It's a term that often sparks curiosity and ambition. For many, it's seen as a golden ticket to financial independence and a life of luxury. It's a phrase that conjures images of wealth and financial freedom. Picture yourself living in a grand mansion, driving the latest luxury cars, and enjoying the finer things in life. We've all heard the stories, haven't we? Tales of individuals who started with little and ended up with vast real estate empires. These stories are inspiring and often make us wonder if we could achieve the same. Ordinary people transforming into real estate moguls, their lives changed by savvy property investments. They buy, renovate, and sell properties, turning profits that seem almost magical. But behind those enticing tales of riches lie potential pitfalls, hidden risks that can quickly turn dreams into nightmares. The market can be unpredictable, and not every investment pans out as planned. This is where we delve into the heart of real estate investing, exploring both its alluring potential and its inherent risks. It's a journey that requires careful planning, thorough research, and a keen understanding of the market dynamics. We'll navigate the exciting and sometimes daunting world of property, uncovering the secrets to success while shedding light on the potential dangers. From market trends to property evaluations, we'll cover it all. Get ready to unlock the mysteries of real estate riches, but be warned, knowledge is your most valuable asset in this game. Without it, even the most promising opportunities can slip through your fingers. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about understanding the fundamentals, recognizing the risks, and making informed decisions. It's about building a solid foundation of knowledge and skills that will serve you well in the long run. It's about empowering you, the viewer, to navigate the real estate landscape with confidence. With the right tools and insights, you can make smart investments that lead to lasting success. So, buckle up and join me as we embark on this journey toward unlocking real estate riches together. We'll explore the highs and lows, the triumphs and challenges, and ultimately the path to achieving your real estate dreams. Why are so many people drawn to real estate investing? The answer is multifaceted. Real estate has always been a cornerstone of wealth building, attracting a diverse range of individuals from seasoned investors to first-time buyers. The allure lies in its unique combination of tangible assets and financial potential. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate is tangible. You can physically touch it, see it, and even live in it. This tangibility provides a sense of security that is often missing in other forms of investment. When you own a piece of property, you have something concrete to show for your investment. It's something you can see, touch, and even live in. This physical presence offers a level of comfort and assurance that many investors find appealing. It's not just a number on a screen. It's a real physical asset that you can visit and improve. This tangibility provides a sense of security and control that many investors find appealing. Owning property means you have direct control over your investment. You can make decisions about how to manage it, improve it, and ultimately, how to profit from it. Beyond the physical aspect, real estate offers the potential for significant financial rewards. The financial benefits of real estate investing are numerous and varied. From rental income to property appreciation, the avenues for generating wealth are extensive. From generating passive income through rentals, where tenants pay you monthly rent, providing a steady stream of income, to benefiting from long-term appreciation, where the value of your property increases over time, adding to your net worth, the avenues for wealth creation are vast. You can diversify your investments across different types of properties from residential to commercial, each offering unique opportunities and challenges. But it's not just about the money. Real estate investing also offers personal satisfaction and a sense of accomplishment. It's about building something tangible and lasting. Real estate investing allows you to be your own boss, giving you the freedom to make decisions and control your financial destiny. You can create a business that aligns with your personal goals and values, to build a portfolio that reflects your individual goals and risk tolerance. Whether you prefer high-risk, high-reward investments or more stable, long-term growth, real estate offers options to suit your strategy. It's about taking control of your financial future and making strategic decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Planning and foresight are key to successful real estate investing and creating a legacy for yourself and your loved ones. Real estate can be passed down through generations, providing financial security and stability for your family. However, this journey isn't without its challenges. The real estate market can be unpredictable, and there are many factors that can affect your investments. Real estate markets are cyclical, with periods of growth and decline. Understanding these cycles is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Influenced by a myriad of factors that can impact your investments. Economic conditions, interest rates, and even political events can all play a role in the real estate market. Understanding these factors and how to mitigate the risks they present is crucial for long-term success. Developing strategies to manage these risks can help protect your investments and ensure steady growth is crucial for long-term success. With the right knowledge and preparation, real estate investing can be a rewarding and profitable journey, offering both financial and personal fulfillment. When it comes to investment options, real estate has consistently held its own against traditional contenders like stocks and bonds. Investors often find themselves weighing the pros and cons of each, trying to determine which will yield the best returns. While stocks and bonds offer liquidity and can be traded easily, real estate provides a tangible asset that can be leveraged in various ways. Historically, real estate has demonstrated an impressive track record of long-term appreciation. This is evident when we look at the growth of property values over the past several decades. Cities have expanded, neighborhoods have developed, and the demand for housing has steadily increased, driving up property values. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, it does provide valuable insights. By analyzing historical data, investors can identify trends and make more informed decisions. For instance, understanding how certain areas have appreciated over time can help predict future growth. Over the decades, real estate values have generally trended upwards, weathering economic storms and market fluctuations. This upward trend is a testament to the resilience of real estate as an investment. Even during economic downturns, property values have shown a remarkable ability to recover and continue their upward trajectory. This resilience stems from the fundamental nature of real estate. It's a finite resource, and people will always need a place to live and work. As populations grow and urbanize, the demand for housing and commercial spaces increases, further driving up property values. However, it's important to note that real estate is not a monolithic investment. There are various types of properties, each with its own set of risks and rewards. Residential, commercial, industrial, and retail properties all behave differently in the market. Different types of properties, locations, and market conditions can significantly impact returns. For example, urban properties might appreciate faster due to higher demand, while rural properties might offer more stability but slower growth. A well-chosen rental property in a desirable neighborhood, for instance, can generate substantial cash flow and appreciate steadily over time. Rental income can provide a steady stream of revenue, making it an attractive option for many investors. On the other hand, a poorly researched investment in a declining market can lead to financial losses. It's crucial to understand the local market conditions and potential risks before making a purchase. This underscores the importance of thorough due diligence and understanding the nuances of the real estate market. Investors should take the time to research and analyze potential investments, consult with experts, and consider all factors before committing their capital. By doing so, they can maximize their chances of success and minimize potential risks. Rent your steady stream of income. One of the most attractive aspects of real estate investing is the potential to generate passive income through rental properties. Imagine having a steady stream of cash flowing in each month, supplementing your primary income or even replacing it entirely. Rental income can provide financial security, allowing you to pursue your passions, invest in other opportunities, or simply enjoy greater peace of mind. But being a landlord is not without its responsibilities. Finding reliable tenants, handling maintenance requests, and managing tenant relations are all part and parcel of being a successful landlord. Fortunately, there are resources available to help you navigate these responsibilities, from property management companies to online tools and educational materials. By carefully selecting properties in high-demand areas, setting competitive rents, and providing a comfortable living experience for your tenants, you can create a profitable and rewarding rental portfolio. Riding the market waves. Timing and location. Real estate markets are cyclical, characterized by periods of growth and decline. Just like riding a wave, timing is crucial in real estate investing. Buying at the right time when prices are favorable can significantly impact your returns. But timing is only part of the equation. Location, location, location. This age-old mantra holds true in real estate investing. Properties in desirable neighborhoods with strong demand, good schools, and convenient access to amenities tend to hold their value and appreciate over time. Before investing in any property, it's essential to research the local market. Look at historical price trends, vacancy rates, and economic indicators to gauge the health of the market. Consider factors like population growth, job opportunities, and infrastructure development, as these can influence future demand and property values. By carefully analyzing market conditions and choosing properties in strategic locations, you can position yourself for success in the ever-changing world of real estate. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on real estate investing.